Hello guys, welcome to my channel Jeshvick Zone. Today I brought a new exciting unboxing video for you guys. But this time it's from someone else. Do you want to know whom it's from? It's for my elder brother. So are you ready to see what he brought for me? Even I am so excited. Let's see what it is in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Where did this appear from? This is for my brother, by the way, guys. Don't forget. This is so big from the others. Let's open this right now. Oh my god. I already got one gun. It's a gun? It looks kind of like a Nerf gun. Oh, it's stick onto here. Let me just break. Okay, here it is. Another one, why? Here it is. Wow, it's really cool looking. It has 6 bullets, by the way. Don't forget. Wow, kind of looks like a mini gun. Let's open the others. Let's see what is inside of them. Little tiny Nerf gun. Let's get off. Okay. Look at this tiny little Nerf gun. Tiny Nerf gun. Tiny Nerf gun. That's it. You can only put one bullet. That's okay. Now next, I see one thing that's here. Oh my god. Whoa. I have to get up for this though. Wow. It's tape. It's tape. Wait, where is the tape of this? But let's first look at these things. It looks very cool. I told you, by the way, this looks like a mini gun, but it's actually not a mini gun. Because the bullets are supposed to be in here. This is supposed to be like here. Alright, then you're supposed to shoot. Then see. That's cool, very cool. Now let's open some more. Whoa, why is it covered up? Oh my, wow. Let's open this side, by the way. Oh my god! No! That is a little bit too big. Get off. That's weird. Oh my god. Let's just pull this out of our string. This is so big. Let's just open this. Oh my god, I have to get up. Don't mind, guys. Oh my god. It looks like a sniper. I have to get up for this one. This is so big. Okay. I have to do like this. Then I have to shoot. Oh my god. It is a sniper rifle, guys. Oh my god. Don't forget, this is from my brother. This is really good looking. For me. Let's start this one again. Let's try to shoot. Where is the enemy? It's over there. Okay. Thanks, sir. I got the enemy there. Now, sir. Like this. And I got my pistol out. Get your hands up or you're dead. Oh my god, let's get this shotgun out. It's a shotgun, it looks like. This is real heavy. Oh my god. Gotta take this. Okay, let's open this. I opened it all just now. Oh my god. That's so cool looking. Now, man. Oh. You have to do like this and put bullets inside. Then you have to pull it like this. This one. You can pull it out. Another one. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shooter. Guys, I looked everything. There's something inside of this. I didn't even know. I just looked. Somehow I didn't notice it. Now let's see. What is this? Oh, packs of bullets. I was right. Okay. Now let's see all of the guns I've got in this set. All of these guns names are, first this one is the sniper rifle. Now this one is the shotgun. This one is the small shooter. And these two I forgot their names, but I know they are, this is 4 shooter and this is 6 shooter. Alright. My favorite guns of all of these is the sniper rifle because it is very big and very cool, because it is so cool looking. If you look it from far away, it looks like a professional gun. So that's why this is my favorite gun. And my second favorite is this thing, because all YouTubers have this gun, and this is one of most popular guns as well. So that's why I also like this gun. And my third favorite is this one, because shotguns you can put this thing down and put the bullet in, then pull it up, then you load in like this, then you shoot. So that's why shotgun is my third favorite. My fourth favorite is this. Obviously I don't know of this thing, but I really like it because it shoots more bullets than this or even this. So that's why this is also my favorite, fourth favorite. This is my last favorite thing, the 6-shooter minigun thing. It looks like a minigun because miniguns usually have these kind of bullets. But usually miniguns have 10 bullets. Oh my god, I full on. It's fine, it's not broken. Oh my god, that was so scary. And also, my favorite thing about this thing is that it looks so kind of look like a minigun and it looks like a pistol. But it's not a pistol. It's a normal looking like a minigun mixed with a pistol thing. That's why this is also my last favorite. And also I really thank my brother and my father for giving me this such beautiful set of guns. So I really thank them and I really like all of these guns. I do not hate a single one. Oh yeah, I forgot. There is 14 more toys left, guys. This is just one set. There are more toys left. My father and brother told me they will send more and more and more. And by the way, guys, this gun set is from Hammy's store. So that's why if you want this kind of set of guns, then go to Hammy's store and get one of your set of guns. And if you want to see more exciting unboxing videos like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification down below. And that's all it. See you till then. Bye bye.